If you're searching how to buy shares of Annexon Inc., this quick guide will walk you through the process. Annexon is a clinical stage biotech focused on complement-targeted therapies, traded on NASDAQ under the ticker ANNX. This information is educational only and not financial advice. To buy ANNX, you need a brokerage account, and we'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, typically by uploading an ID document, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker ANNX to locate the stock listing. Select the entry that shows Annexon Inc. on NASDAQ to open the correct asset page. On the Annexon asset page, you'll find basic company information and a price chart for reference. Double-check the company description and the NASDAQ ticker to confirm this is the correct stock. To invest, click Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest, review the order details carefully, and then confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be placed as pending, and if you do not have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. After execution, your ANNX position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Check the video description for a sample eToro link if you want to explore the platform further.